In 1964, one man's vision was brought to life and a home was built with special kids in mind.
Kids like Zico, Amber, Heather, Mariano, Josh,
and our son Franklin.
Christmas and the holidays belong to the kids, and the kids of Father Walter Memorial Child Care Center are hosting a party like no other.
It's a virtual tree trimming party.
So you don't have to dress up.
Or bring a snack.
Or even leave the house.
But for the cost of one ornament, you can make a difference.
It's easy. Just make at least a $10 donation and pass this message along to 10 of your friends.
$10 isn't a lot, but when we all work together, we can accomplish great things.
Like building a new adaptive playground or sensory garden.
And special classrooms where these children will reach their full potential.
Thank you for sharing this information about the special children of Father Walters. For more information, please contact us at www.rcmsouth.org. And remember, Christmas belongs to children.